Well, I guess he's not happy with the hotel assignment, but apparently he stumbled into the wrong convention. Yeah. Yeah, it is, I know. So anyway, did he eat the food?